Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2016 Porsche Macan S. Just serviced it, all fluids changed. This thing is ready to roll. 70,000 miles on it. Drives really good. Do a walk around video here. 3.0 engine. You see a little bit of wear on the black plastic back here on the rear bumper. Otherwise, she is clean. As you can see, I'm going to show you some front end. So it is wrapped. There is a wrap. You can kind of fairly see a wrap here on the front. So this is actually the wrap, not the actual paint itself that's damaged on the front there. Here too. So that is all the wrap that is chewed up a little bit. But besides that, this thing is very clean on the outside. Interior, very clean. Panel roof. Heated seats, air conditioned seats. Backup camera, parking sensors. Easy push start. Let me give her a start up. She has 72,941 miles. Go ahead and start her up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout at 228-438-2056. You can text us as well. Email us, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Definitely like, comment, share, subscribe. If you know somebody might be interested, send it their way. Thanks for checking out our video. And if you need any Audi, Porsche, or Volkswagen repair work and you're in the South Mississippi area, give us a holler.